Alright, so another pack from the Walgreens. Murders at Karlov Manor. 14 cards. This way the pack. $35.14. And we got a pack weight of 26.3248. 26.3246. And let's see what we got. Pack of Murders at Karlov Manor. Play booster. Token card. Nope, creature card. Mysterious creature. Okay. Here we go. Cerebral Confiscation. Common. Vengeful Creeper. Common. Gadget Technician. Common. Hotshot Investigators. Common. Rebel Belt Braggart.
You can't take children with you when you're going to cheat on a horse race?
Common. Rotform Mortipede.
Can we put our personal problems aside for a second?
Deduce.
Tia took off on me. I'm supposed to pick her up after school.
A Killer Among Us.
I
Uncommon.
don't know.
Was that common or uncommon? Oh, this one was common. Uncommon. Case of the Gorgon's Kiss. Uncommon.
I'm really stuck, Shanice.
Agency Outfitter.
All right. I will help you.
Perimeter Enforcer.
But as far as you and I are concerned,
Doorkeeper Thrall. Ooh, rare.
I'll be there.
Common. Rare. Gold.
For what it's worth, I'm sorry.
Essence of Antiquity. Uncommon Artifact Creature Golem. Essence of Antiquity. Foil. And Island card. Foil.